Hey guys, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. I'm Jillian and today I'm going to show you 5 super quick and simple hairstyles that you can rock while you're staying cute and cozy at home. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first hairstyle is a chic braided low bun. It's super easy and makes you feel really put together even when you're in your PJs. To start, I'm just gathering all my hair into a low, tight ponytail. Then I'm going to split the ponytail into 3 separate sections and braid this into a regular braid. Tie off the end with an elastic, and now it's time to twist the braid around itself, forming a swirl shape. To keep everything in place, I'm just pinning the bun with bobby pins, and that's it. I love this look. It's perfect for work Zoom calls, and it's one of my go-to styles for spring. Next up is messy bedhead looking waves. This look will never go out of style, and it pairs well with any cozy outfit. On dry or almost dry hair, spritz a little bit of wave-enhancing sea salt spray or a texturizer where you can scrunch the product into your hair to make it look more messy. I'm also going to add my chocolate brown balayage halo extensions because I love how this look looks with extra long hair. To apply the halo, create a part line around the crown of your head and pin up your hair. There should be a clean line at the back of your head like this. Then just drop the halo around your head and place the wire right onto the part line you've created. Snap the clips shut to secure it into place and then let your hair down. I'm using a brush to gently brush my hair over to conceal the wire and blend everything together. Luxy halo extensions are just so easy and quick if I want to add length and volume. This is the final look, but if I want to change it up or get my hair off my face, I've taken a note from Bella Hadid and I'm adding a stretchy headband. Adding a headband makes this look feel extra cozy. I'll wear this hairstyle a lot whenever I'm wearing sweats, fluffy slippers, and feel like curling up with a good book. Claw clips are definitely back, and using them to create an easy chic French twist is a huge trend right now. Start by gathering your hair into a low ponytail. Start twisting the tail, then bringing it up towards the back of your head. Make sure the twist remains tight and fold the twist over, bringing the tail downwards. Grab your claw clip and start clipping everything into place. Tuck the ends into the claw before snapping it shut, and you're done. Personally, I like to pull a few front pieces out for a wispier look. This hairstyle is super easy and a great way to keep your hair up in a cute way while you're at home. Okay, we all love a good ponytail, especially if it's voluminous and long. I'm going to brush my hair back into a tight, high ponytail. To make my ponytail pop, I'm using my Luxy Hair clip-in ponytail extension. It looks like this, and it's so easy and fast to apply. Just insert the grip part right into your elastic and wrap it around to cover your natural hair. The Velcro will meet in place to secure, then take the tail part and wrap it around everything. Use pins to secure the tail in place. Bam! Super easy, and now my ponytail is extra long and bouncy. I love wearing a high ponytail with a matching sweatsuit at home. Okay, finally, last up is double French braids. This is a great way to get your hair off your face, and if you leave them in overnight, you'll wake up with beautiful waves. Such a bonus. I'm clipping half of my hair up and out of the way first. For a full tutorial on French braiding, check out our video in the description below. But for a quick overview, create 3 separate pieces and braid normally once. Then start adding a piece from each side into the braid. Keep adding sections as you continue braiding down, and when you run out of hair to add, just braid normally until the end. Tie it off with an elastic. Repeat the steps on the other side, and there you have it. 2 lovely French braids for another cozy at-home hair look. guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And in the comments down below, let me know which look is your favorite and what you've been doing with your hair while you're at home. Till next time, guys. Bye.